Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we will be talking about reliable PCB protection and maintenance with Kontakt Chemie products. From the portfolio of Kontakt Chemie, we have selected top products designed for working with PCBs that are compatible even with the most sensitive materials. Conformal coatings, fluxes, efficient cleaners, photosensitive varnishes, and even quick cooling sprays must not be missing when working with PCBs. The removal of various residues from printed circuit boards, otherwise known as PCBs, is essential in electronics manufacturing. Incomplete removal of flux and other substances can jeopardize long-term reliability, while inadequate coverage with conformal coating may lead to defects in future devices. However, these issues can be effectively addressed by high-quality and efficient products for working with PCBs, as well as for their protection. Kontakt Chemie, a member of CRC Industries, has been a leading manufacturer of technical sprays for the electronics industry for over 60 years. They have a broad portfolio of high-quality products designed for working with the PCBs for all types of electrical and electronic products. Their products are made from high-quality substances, and their sprays have a high content of active ingredients. We would like to introduce several Kontakt Chemie products that you shouldn't miss when working with PCBs. From the extensive range of products offered by Kontakt Chemie, we have selected the most popular and commonly used products for working with PCBs in general. Whether it's about moisture protection, cleaning after soldering, testing, or the production of the PCB prototype itself. Conformal coating for PCB. Conformal coatings, also known as conformal lacquers, are among the most commonly used agents primarily designed to protect PCBs from moisture, salt spray, or chemicals, and to shield electronics from transient currents, corrosion, and other undesirable influences. From the range of chemicals for electronics by Kontakt Chemie, we have selected the Plastic 70, which is available in various versions and packaging sizes, ranging from a 200 ml spray to a 5-liter canister. Plastic 70 is a universal conformal coating for PCB based on acrylic lacquer. It can be easily resoldered, and above all, it dries quickly, enabling a fast production process. After application, it forms a protective and insulating film against weather influences and has good adhesion to all common surfaces. Plastic 70 remains transparent and flexible even after a long time. The working temperature range is from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, with short peaks up to +100 degrees Celsius. The second product is Plastic 70 Super. It is an advanced version of the standard Plastic 70. It contains a UV indicator, so-called tracer, which is basically a pigment that emits a fluorescent blue glow when exposed to UV light. Plastic 70 Super is the perfect protection and insulation in hot and humid environments because it withstands the extreme range of temperatures from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. The third product is Plastic 70 Thinner. Thinner and specially developed remover for conformal coatings. It allows the removal of existing acrylic lacquers from the PCB without damaging the electronic components. Plastic 70 Thinner is also suitable as a thinner for spraying from bulk packages, ranging from 1 liter to 5-liter cans. The fourth product is Urethane 71. A high-quality, single-component, urethane-modified, insulating and protective coating that provides long-lasting protection against moisture and undesirable environmental influences. It has high dielectric strength, high surface and volume resistance, low dielectric constant and loss factor. Urethane 71 is a unique combination of hardness, flexibility, and strong adhesion. Soldering flux and temporary protection in spray for PCBs. Fluxes in the form of protective lacquer are highly useful, especially in prototype production, as they protect copper surfaces from oxidation and significantly facilitate the soldering of components. The first product is Flux SK10, otherwise known as Lotlec SK. It is an excellent soldering flux and a rosin-based protection that can be used to prevent the oxidation of printed circuit boards. Flux SK10 is suitable for manufacturing, repair, and service purposes. It is a medium-turn protective lacquer that can be soldered and meets the requirements of the DIN 8511 FSW31 standard. It protects printed circuit boards from corrosion during storage and is easy and quick to apply, but is not suitable for long-term PCB protection, especially in humid conditions. Effective cleaning of PCB. Quality cleaning agents capable of dissolving and removing any residues, especially solder flux residues, from the manufacturing process are often a necessity to ensure the proper and long-term functionality of the device, especially when the device operates in humid conditions. We have selected the following products from the range of cleaning products by Kontakt Chemie. The first one is Kontakt PCC. It is the most commonly used professional PCB cleaner, capable of quickly removing solder flux residues and other contaminants. It removes all types of flux without leaving residues, is compatible with solder resist layers and most PCB base materials. Kontakt PCC ensures perfectly clean PCBs and prevents transient currents. It also provides high insulating surface resistance and good adhesion for subsequent coatings. The second product is Kontakt WL. It is a versatile cleaning agent based on a mixture of solvents. It quickly degreases and cleans electronic components and electrical contacts. Kontakt WL is compatible with all commonly used materials and is suitable not only for PCBs but also for electronic contacts. The third product is Kontakt IPA. It is a universal cleaner for electronics, fine mechanics and optics, made on the basis of 99.7% pure isopropanol. Kontakt IPA is not an aggressive cleaner. It acts very gently and is therefore also suitable for sensitive surfaces. The advantage is quick drying. Prototype production of PCB. If you need to have a PCB available immediately, the fastest way is to create it yourself by photolithography, transferring the PCB pattern from a transparent template onto a PCB with an applied photosensitive layer using a UV light. For this, you will need a high-quality photosensitive lacquer, and you can rely on a product from Kontakt Chemie. Positive 20. It is a photosensitive lacquer designed for use in the photosensitive process, sensitive to UV radiation. This product facilitates not only the production of PCBs in all formats, but is also intended for production of photogravure and precise transfer of photographic elements onto a wide range of materials. The high degree of exposure tolerance provides the conditions necessary to achieve high resolution. Positive 20 is suitable for PCBs, as well as other materials such as glass, acrylic, aluminum, copper, brass, or steel. It can be easily chemically developed by immersing it at a room temperature for 60 seconds in a bath with sodium hydroxide, and no special or expensive chemical agent is required. PCB testing. Did you know that sometimes a spray can be used for testing or checking the functionality of electronic circuits? The Kontakt Chemie range also includes a spray for the short-term cooling of components. Freeze 75. In the research, development or final testing phase of the PCBs, it is often desirable to cool certain critical and sensitive components, a process known as stress testing. It is used to check the thermal faults as well as for thermostats and temperature sensors. Freeze 75 contains an inert dry cooling gas with a low global warming potential. With a temperature reduction of up to -45 degrees Celsius, it has a powerful cooling effect. It is non-flammable according to Directive 2008/47 EC and ensures rapid and trouble-free cooling without leaving residues. Kontakt Chemie is a specialist in chemicals for electronics. Their products are made from high-quality pure substances, and the sprays have a high content of active ingredients. These chemicals should not be missing in any PCB project, as they provide effective solutions to all challenges when working with PCBs. We regularly add new Kontakt Chemie products to our product range. Did we not mention a solution for your needs? Choose from a wide range of chemical products for electronics. Majority of the products are immediately available for your projects. The rest can be arranged upon order. Are you interested in more information about Kontakt Chemie products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have any other question or request? Do not hesitate to contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.